What's up, guys? Good to see you and welcome to the Keto Kitchen. I'm with my boy, Keto Chef Max.
What's up, guys?
So we've got something special for you today. We've got a beautiful fat bomb recipe. If you don't know what fat bombs are, they're essentially a good way to add fat to your diet. They kill two birds with one stone. First, they add healthy fat.
Yep.
Second, they kind of satisfy the sweet tooth, so they should be used in moderation, but they do come in clutch. When it comes to fat bomb recipes, the simpler the better for me. I live a busy life. So Max, what do we got here?
So we got a cinnamon roll fat bomb. This is perfect for you guys to eat something in the morning if you want, and you're craving that cinnamon roll that you can't eat anymore because of the high carbs and sugar content. Take note that we are using room temperature butter and cream cheese. That is just to make it so it's easier to stir together. And then our almond butter is also going to be slightly warmed up so that it is also easier to spread.
Guys, the cinnamon roll fat bomb just came out of the freezer. I can't tell you how excited I am to try this. Full disclosure, you know, like when you're making cookies and brownies and you're like taking swipes out of the bowl? I did that like 100 times, so I already have a general idea this is gonna taste amazing, but I haven't tasted it frozen like this. So here we go, the taste test. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's absolutely bomb. Don't be afraid to get messy. It's gonna get all over your fingers. Look at the texture in there. It's beautiful, right? The icing, everything was super easy to make. We're gonna put the recipe in the description below. I highly encourage you guys to try this.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the recipe.
Delicious, right?
Yeah, it's very simple and easy. We got more fat bombs coming, more amazing recipes from my boy Keto Chef Max. Give him a follow. Also, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description below, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy. As always, keep up the good work, stay strong, and much love.